remind everybody that once the ribbons are laid out, after we lay out ribbons, we will be conducting our award ceremony. I'd like to also remind you that if you did not win a ribbon, that does not mean that you did not win a special award. Special awards are not judged. They are not selected on the basis of the ribbons. It is possible for you to win a trophy in the special award category and not have won a ribbon or not have won a first place ribbon. So please, after the ribbons are laid down, please do not go anywhere. Don't take your models with you. You may have an award waiting for you.